What's up guys, it's Carson. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, we're looking at my garage lights. So big upgrade compared to the last couple videos with the lighting in the garage and just overall lighting for this space. Did want to share with you guys, I believe this is going to be the best budget garage lighting that is currently out there. This I believe is going to be the best option. Of course there is a little bit cheaper options by $10, $15 depending on where you get them, if there's a sale, whatever it may be. So what is the setup, you may ask? This is my garage setup. These are the lights that I use. They're the Feit electric LED shop lights. These guys are 500 lumens. They're a 400K color code, and they come in a pack of 2. The best part about this, actually at Costco right now for $25.99 for 2 of these. That is crazy. But my garage is roughly right around 500 feet. With that, it's super simple. I have 8 lights here, 2 in the back side, 2 in the front there, same thing on this side. In my specific instance, what I did is I tied in the 2 front lights here to my regular garage switch, my light switch. Went and picked up a pack of AC outlets that you can just screw into light socket and add 2 more outlets. And I could technically put a bulb on them. I think it's a little overkill. The other 2 in the back there, or the other 4 I should say, are controlled by a remote control. Let me grab that. So with it being early November, they have a ton of these kits out for sale. You can see that little black box there. So I can go ahead and it's just remote controlled by this. And I can go ahead and just click this off and those 4 turn off, right? So installation on these guys, super simple. So they have chains so you can hang them and suspend them a little bit down. So I use the supplied hooks and the attachments for the lights there. Went ahead and just hooked them on. Biggest thing for me is it was a lot easier to do that rather than flush mounting them. Flush mounting, you would have to attach all 4 screws there. These you just have to do 2. So places that stud wasn't available, went ahead and used a drywall anchor. So a lot of folks will ask, why didn't you spend a ton or get Creed lighting, hex lighting? In my situation, it really wouldn't fit. The hex lights are super inconsistent. You can get them burnt out really quick. Feit is a pretty nice electric brand there, and since I bought them at Costco, everybody knows the Costco return policy is crazy. So if you have any issues, I'm just gonna go get another one. But honestly, this is the biggest bang for your buck you can get. Right now they have them on the Costco website for I believe $35, but in store, if your warehouse has them, $25 depending on where you're at. Even at $35 for a pack, that's still a crazy good deal. I can see every detail, especially if I'm planning on paint correcting a vehicle, ceramic coating something, cleaning it and wanting to get a little bit more light. It's gonna be perfect. So you can link up to 6 of these lights at a time. In my case, I linked 2 of them together and then hooked it up to 1 outlet. Didn't really want to stress it all too much. I haven't tested 6 of them linked, but I believe it'd be just fine. Eventually, what I would like to do is potentially add some more on the sides. When we have my girlfriend's white Honda Accord in here, it gets even brighter. So if you're looking for an extra gloss, paint the garage white, you can get even more of that color. Budget lighting setup that you can put in your garage, your man cave, your basement, wherever you'd like to. And so I think they'd be a great deal, especially if you're just trying to get some extra lighting in the shop. You don't have to go crazy overboard. You do 2 of these in a regular garage if you're not using it for like detailing or content creation, whatever it may be, you'd be just fine. Like some of these points, I'm probably a little bit overexposed. The first link in the description will be the link to the Costco lights. Like I said, check at your local warehouse, give them a call and say, hey, do you guys have these? Here's the item number. Do you have these? Some of them do. We have 3 Costco's here in the Boise Treasure Valley area. All 3 of them had them, but check your local Costco. If you can't find them at your local warehouse, buy them online. Even at that $35 price point, That includes the shipping and handling. If you have any questions for me, just drop them down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any video suggestions for me, drop them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. My name has been Carson. You guys have been awesome, and I'm out. Peace.